Hey, this is Kalam again here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use PIAI. It's a new AI tool actually. It's look like a chat GPT, and in this video, I'm totally explaining you how you can use this AI tool. After watching this video, you don't have any tension, you don't have any questions. I guarantee you. Let's get started. First, go to google.com, then search PIAI. Just go to this website. You can see this is the logo. Then you need to log in here. Just use your Google Gmail. Then I want to log in here. Then I want to continue with Google. Just my login are successfully. Now I want to input any right para about India. Just enter. Then wait a few seconds. This AI tool give you a full article about of India. India is an incredible country which rich history, culture, and diversity. From the standing Himalayas and the north to the lowest protocol. Really nice tool. Then if you want to speech and here just click this icon. Then here is a 6 PI. So I want to click number 1.
India is an incredible country with a rich history, culture, and diversity.
Number 2.
India is an incredible country with a rich history, culture, and diversity. From the stunning Himalayas in the north.
India is an incredible country with a rich history, culture, and diversity. From the
Excellent. This is very excellent. So I want to write a daily routine. Just enter. You can use this AI tool on your mobile phone because this AI tool allow all devices. So you can see here few things here a simple daily routine. If you don't like this para, just click this icon, then report here. So I really like it. I don't need this one. So I want to another picture, then go to discover. Here is a few discover available here. Just brainstorm idea, relationship advice. So I want to relationship advice because I am really hungry for join. Relationship advice, that definitely something I can help with you. So all right, just enter. I really surprised this AI tool. So if you want to more video about those type of, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. See you next video. Take care. Bye.